is how it comes. Then you put it from in here. There you go. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Your lady, teenager, mature. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course, you know what to do. Give the video thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and of course, don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm popping another video. Guys, today's video is another very interesting video. You know Black Friday, it's coming, right? If you live in US, in America, you know we have Black Friday, and usually Black Friday is the day after Thanksgiving. Oh well, guys, let me ask you a little question. If you know last year, what was the date of Black Friday last year, which means 2020? If you know, comment below. Okay, so this is the week of Thanksgiving here. As you know, most people are waiting for this day so they can go there, get the deals, guys. And when I say deals, there are so many deals that you can go in stores and grab whatever you need, from the TV, from all electronics, you know, clothing, everything, you name it. Everything has a deal. It's Black Friday is where everybody is waiting. So guys, it's the day where everybody is waiting for them. So I have a paper, I have a book here, so I'm going to read some of the things that I cannot remember. So the day after Thanksgiving, where most retailers, you know, they offer special reduced prices, so you can find a lot of merchandise that are special reduced. However, some of the retail stores, they can come earlier. You know, really Black Friday can come earlier, which means some of the merchandise you can get them earlier, even before, you know, before Black Friday. You can go online, or you can go to the stores, mostly online. You can find electronics, you know, computers, anything you want, laptops, whatever electronics you want, you can find them on Black Friday earlier on some of the stores. So this is what I did. I found a deal, guys, on my my online shopping. So I found this. I didn't want it to buy. I have a laptop. Remember, I have a laptop, but my laptop fell down. It was I don't know. Sometimes when I say this, I cry. My laptop actually fell down. It just broke. I was like, oh my goodness, what happened to my laptop? It just broke, and I don't know what to do. So that I was like, oh my goodness. So I've been using another old computer, but it's not serving me so well. So I saw these deals online. So the computer that I found, it was it was a Dell Inspiron 15. It was a deal, guys. This computer was almost $800. So because the Black Friday came earlier, so I saw it for $400. It was just only 2 days. If you can get it for 2 days, you can get it. So I saw this deal, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to get this deal. So I thought it was a joke, but when I submitted everything, they were like, yes, you got the computer. So I got this computer, so I'm going to unbox that computer for you today, so you can see how I got my Black Friday deals earlier. So I'm telling you guys, if you want something, go online, something that you really want, and search for it all over the website. Don't just go for one store, go to different stores, compare the prices, and see which stores is going to give you a deal. So compare the store. I went there online, I compared the stores, and I found this one store that had a deal, and I thought it was a joke when I submitted everything. And I'm like, oh my goodness, your computer will be here, or your laptop will be here within 3 days. So I've been waiting for 3 days, and actually within 3 days my computer is here. My laptop is here. So today I'm going to unbox that laptop for you, for y'all can see. So it's a Dell Inspiron 15. So let me show you guys. So this is the box right here. This is the Dell computer right here. Laptop is here. This is how the package looks like. I have to peel this over here because it had my address. I don't want it to come knocking on my door, so that's why I took it off. So it's right here. So we're going to unbox so we can see this. So let me have my knife here, guys. Let me cut it so we can actually unbox it. So bear with me as I'm cutting it. And guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe, become a member. I do a lot of things on my channel, so don't hesitate. My names are Teenager Umoto, so go search Teenager Umoto, subscribe guys, so you can see a lot of unboxing, a lot of things that I do on my channel. So today's video, actually we're going to unbox this, okay? Bear with me so I can open it. Okay guys, so I am unboxing this thing. So this is how it comes. Let me move back. So yeah, I hope you guys can see. We are here to help. Like this logo, this like we're here to help. The numbers and everything there. You guys, look at that. This is the box. I just want to make sure everything out of here. This is where they put the computer. There's nothing in here. There it goes. And they have this manual that fell down. They have this. So the computer comes here. Actually, it comes like this. Very genius. This is how the packaging is, so that they don't damage your computer when they're doing shipping. So the laptop comes like that, and you take these things off. I'm gonna take these things off, and there is the Dell. There is the Dell. That's how it looks like. Woo! Woo! So let's take this tag off right here. So this is how it comes. Then you put it from in here. There you go. Whoa! And this is how it looks like. It's very light. Actually, online it looks like it's so big, but when you hold it, oh my goodness, it's so light. So light. I love it. I love it so far. So it comes with this. It comes with the 2 cable charger, and there's another one here. This is, let me see. So this is a charger, and there's a warranty thing, and this is the, let me read it. Let me see. Excuse me. Let me see this. I hope I can see. This is the manual how you are supposed to use this Inspiron 15. So this is how it's called, Inspiron 15. They show you how you are supposed to install and use it. Okay, very nice guys. So this is how it comes. Let me open it inside first so y'all can see. I love it. Look at that guys. Oh, you open it, and this is covering this screen right here. Wow, this is really awesome. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be talking to you guys. I'm gonna be coming live. Now my laptop is here. There's no excuse. Guys, I'll be uploading my videos. My YouTube is on another level now. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from this laptop here. It's a Dell laptop, very new, very light. So we are going to make more videos. From here, we are going to be coming live. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this one. And this thing was almost $800 US dollars, but it was on sale, Black Friday sales, for 400. Actually, it was 400 and what? Let me see. It was 499. So that's a pretty much a saving of almost $250. That's a huge saving. Can you imagine? So if you want anything online, a Black Friday, take advantage of this Black Friday. If you want a camera, you know, Canon camera, those ones who want cameras, take advantage of this Black Friday, guys. You can get deals, and I'm telling you, you're gonna get deals. So there's so many deals that are out there. So I got my laptop. I'm ready to go. My YouTube is ready to go. So guys, I'll be coming live. I'll be chatting you live from this Dell computer. Let me know, guys, if you have this Dell computer. What's your experience with this Dell computer? I've had so many laptops. I can tell you guys, so many laptops. But I'm going to try this one and see how it works. Of course, I'm gonna make another video and review this and see how it works. What does it have in here? So I'm gonna just restart it and tell you more when I'm using it, how is it going. So today was just unboxing, you know, to show you that I bought a laptop and a Black Friday, earlier Black Friday. So yeah, stay with me, guys. I'll be showing you more. We'll be using this laptop, and thank you so much, guys, for you guys who are watching this channel. You are the reason that I'm getting this laptop, because of you guys are watching my videos. So the little I get, I'm like, let me invest it on my YouTube channel, and this is you guys, your YouTube money, your everything. It's paying off. Okay, I love you so much. Keep watching, keep subscribing, share the videos, guys. We are doing amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.